a very sad farewell to the Kukri. So, got in contact with Gav, got his address, and now it's the final detail work. The last coat of Ren wax, Renaissance wax, and then off she goes. What a monster! Oh. So, 8mm tool still. Oh, oh. Yeah. Not a Woodlaw clone. Ooh. Gentle as I can, like taking the top of my finger off. There she is. Absolute beauty. So, handle is desert ironwood to there, multi-pin, and then I've got my carter in the end there. Even got pins going that way, just because I can. Big, thick, subtle olive liner and a beastie sheath. I've got my on the back there. So how do we get this to fit? This cramped little desk. So final little bit of treatment, bit of Ren wax, just in case it doesn't end up in the woods in the next couple of weeks. Just a little bit on the handle. Nice. And then just a little bit on the sheath. Already got its coating. It's just any residual sort of dust hanging in the air. They have settled on it. So I'm just adding another layer. Touch around the edges. Final detail check there, and then pack her away. Now, gotta say thanks to your patience, Gav, because I know I just can't make them fast enough. I wish I could make more. One a week would be a step forward, but I'm more on one every 2 to 3 weeks. So you can imagine my proliferation is not very large, as it were. But I just like making statement pieces. I think Wessex Blades is. So the special with this is it's a double strap on here, just to beast it up a little bit. And then obviously the two-tone handle and multi-pins. I thought I'd go to the wall on it. So there it is, and we have the bonus extra of a little ferro rod. There's a pendant if you want. That's all that the ironwood I had left, because you buy handle material material, it's for woodlaw clones generally, and you end up with like 140 millimeter piece of wood. Okay, it's not going to be long enough, not by a long shot. So beautiful. Thanks for your patience, Gav. On its way to you at your address sent earlier in the week. A monstrous kukri. A few stills outside, maybe some movie, whatever. Thanks for everybody tuning in to watch this. The next little project I've got is another Prussian eagle. Sort of welts in, the ferro rods in. I've just done the strap there, looped it over, got the D in, just for future, put one in if you're going to put one in. So stitch that up is the next one, and then it can be treated inside and glued up that way. Another move forward I had was I had an additional prepper knife. So this is not Mark's is slightly different, but I was gluing up for some more special handles. So rather than one piece of G10 like that, this one is again similar to the Kukri, where it's got a front and a back, like a main part and a bolster. Just pushing it out, pushing the quality, trying to get it just statement pieces, trying to put Wessex Blades a bit more on a map, especially with 4 months off. And of course, anybody who's got any of my knives, any social media interaction out in the woods would be greatly appreciated as we press on through 2022. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Thanks to Patreons for backing the channel. If you're interested in helping me out a little bit, video production, whatever, there is a link to Patreon in the thing below, but leave your comments, and especially your likes, greatly appreciated. And Gav, I hope you like her. I ain't even got one. Thanks, Jeremy. It's got Wessex Blades 8.